Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this amazing looking design for your restaurant dishes in Canva. So normally you would have the templates available, but in most of the cases you would have to customize it according to your business, and customization really works best. So on your homepage, go over to social media, and in the social media tab go over to the Instagram post, which is in the square format. Click on it, and once you are over here you will have to start putting in the elements. For that, go over to the elements. Firstly, we need the salad bowl, so let's search for a salad bowl in Canva. So this seems like a perfect photo. You can have your own photos from your restaurant, from your business, but we'll be using this one. So we have this one. Let's just decrease the size a bit and bring it over here. A little bit of increase in size would be better. Now the second thing that you would need is a circle. So find a circle over here, type in circle, and we have to use this one. So this is the circle. We can place it over here. We'll arrange it afterwards. And now we also need a rectangle. So this is the rectangle that we are going to use. So usually you would have your own logo, but since we don't have a logo for this, I'll search for a fork and a knife. So let's assume that this is the logo for the restaurant. So I'll decrease its size also. We would also need the website and the call button, because usually you need to have the call to action. So for that they are necessary. So firstly type in website, and this is the icon that you are going to use. And now type in call. It is going to give you the icons for call. So let's say we want to use this one. These both look fine. And now what we have to do is we have to make uniformity in the colors. So let's select all of these, or well, let's do it one by one. And as you can see, it isn't changing the color, so we'll select something that can change the color. Let's type in website again, and let's say we are going to use this one, and we can change its color from here. So let's remove the previous one and go over in the colors and select the green color. Decrease the size, bring this one over here, decrease its size as well. Just make sure that both of these have the same size. Change that color as well to the green one that matches your branding, and bring these down over here. Let's assume that your logo also has the same green branding, so increase its size a bit and just bring it over here. So this is going to be the branding for your restaurant, or you can also decrease the size a bit. That would be just fine. So now we have to change the colors for these shapes. So let's turn them green as well, and bring this rectangle up over here. Increase the size of the rectangle, drag it downwards as well, and also make another copy. And once you have made the copy, decrease its size as well, match everything, and also reduce its width. Now select both of these and send them backwards. As for the circle, just make sure you have a quarter of it over here, just to give a subtle touch of the green that is related to our branding. So once we have these fixed, let's reduce the size of both of these, and the size is reduced. Let's space them out evenly. Now that's done as well. Now I assume we would also need some sort of decorative shapes. Let's type in that over here. So decorative shape gives us these sorts of graphics. So let's see if there is something that we can use. So this one seems fine, so let us decrease its size. For these color we can match it to our branding. That's how it would look like. And now go over to the text, just give your main heading and bring your main heading right about here. Now you can type in the name of your dish. Now you can decrease the size of the decorative shape, and after that you can increase the size of your dish name. Now let's say you have your name right over here, and now you can move on and type in the body text over here in these green ones. So you can type in here as well, and you can also put some text around over here. Let me put some dummy text over here, and let's just align it towards the left and decrease the size from the side. So this is how it would look. And well, this text over here doesn't really fit in well in my opinion, so we'll just leave it. And here you can have your website, and let's say your website is www.salad.com. so here you'll have your website, and here you can place the number of your restaurant, and here we need some sort of call to action. Let's search for the rounded rectangle, because most of the buttons are usually rounded. So let's see if we can find something that would work well. So this is what would work over here. So you see this is a sort of GIF, but the thing is you can export your designs and go over to downloads and export it as a PNG or JPEG, so it would be just perfectly an image. Or alternatively you can just delete it and you can again go back to the elements and choose this one. This one is also kind of similar to that, it has the rounded edges. Let's decrease the size of this one, and here we have the order now button. We can decrease its size, and since the size is decreased, we can go over to the text, and once in the text we can add a subheading and just place it above here. Type in order now, and here we still have some margins, so we'll just increase the size of our main dish. So well, I think we have a pretty good looking image over here, and if you found this video to be helpful, I would like you to use these techniques as you will for your businesses. Also be sure to watch out the other videos on the channel, and right now on your screen YouTube is recommending you a video that it thinks you should watch next.